Today I am going to tell you how to recognize the face or any body part in Python. What do you need? In this quick video, we will be using OpenCV and R Cascade classifier to build a face detection system. You can easily modify the project to detect a hand, eyes, or build your own custom classifier if you know the XML. Complete code you can download from this link which I have given in this description below. So let us start in PyCharm. In PyCharm we write here the imports CV2 and time. If you want to delay something, then you must use time, otherwise it won't need it. Then we download the Cascade classifier from Google, and for that I have given you link, and then you can use one by one all these classifier to detect several part of your body. For that you have to write cascade classifier equals to CV2 cascade classifier, and within bracket R cascade backslash, because I have taken a folder in which I have taken all these information of classifier. For that you have to mention here. Then hair cascade frontal face default dot xml. This classifier define the thing which can recognize your face, and then capture equals to CV2 video capture. It will capture your image and recognize your face. Then while true, capture frame by frame. For that you have to check whether frame is capturing or not. So you write retrieve frame equals to capture dot read. It will read your frame. Then if you want to convert it into gray, then you have to write gray equals to CV2 convert color frame into RGB to gray. Then you show it into, then detect whether it is giving a gray or not. For that you have to write cascade classifier detect multi-scale gray scale factor 1.3 minimum neighbor equals to 5. Then if len of detection greater than 0, अगर उसकी the image which is detected is greater than 0, then x, y, w, h, x axis, y axis and its width and height you detect on first position. That detection is the array in which the first position you have to rectify. Then frame equals to CV2 rectangle frame x comma y. It will give you a first position. Then the width of the object and the height of the object, and then 00255, which is a frame color red, comma 2. If you want to change color, you can change it. I will show you how to change. Then for frame detection, then you display the resulting frame. Then you display the resulting frame CV2 IM show frame, comma frame. Frame position, and it will tell you a frame. Then if CV2 wait key 1 or OXFF equals to order is the function Q, then you must break your recognition. Now you have to release the capture image and you have to describe. all the windows. How you will do, just run it and find out. Just see, this is recognizing the face and giving the red bar in it. I told you, you can change the color of your um, square rectangle. For that you have to change here. You can make it blue or you can make it green. Whatever you want, you can do it. So just run it and find out. This time it is giving blue. First time it is giving red, then this time it is giving blue. Now you can again change this into green. For that you have to write 255 in middle and then run it. So it is giving green and recognizing your face. Now I want to recognize the hand. For that I will use the classifier hand. So comment it and use the classifier hand. Now run it. It will classify, it will understand the hand because bigger than the face. So it is giving more bigger square for that and recognizing your hand. Next, you can recognize a small portion also, but it is not so good to recognize every small portion very well. But this time it is giving the lip movement which you are using and eye movement and all small portion it is taking. So for eye you can use it and run it. Line 9. यहाँ पर एट द रेट आ गया था ना इसलिए नहीं रन कर रहा था. Now run it. Let's see whether it is recognizing or not. There are some problem in it. So the classifier is not well defined and it is not recognizing. So quit. So try it, find out the error in this classifier and make your own classifier and recognize your all portion and left split, that means left eye it will recognize. Just see whether it is seeing or not. Small portion it is not recognizing, so leave it and check the classifier and check the things. In previous run it was recognizing, so again try this smile one and find out. So it is recognizing. The small portion is in back, it is yeah, this is the portion, small portion it is recognizing and getting the eye and lip and all these things. So this is the way to recognize your face. You can make a different project on it You can recognize mask, you can recognize the name of the person, you can make a attendance of by recognizing the person face. I will tell you one by one each and every one. And if you like it, please share and subscribe. This is all today. And next turn I will introduce you a contour through which you can recognize each and everything. And you can also use the code here. Um, in this you are getting so many classifier for frontal face, for frontal alternate, for alternate tree, and so many things are there. Full body, and then Russian plate number. You can even detect the plate number also, and then upper body portion and lower body portion. All these things you can find out through this. So let's close the today, and I will tell you later in another lecture more precisely for detecting the things and applying in a project of attendance, and find out the gender also, the name of the person, and the snap of the person. I will tell you one by one each and everything. Thank you viewers. If you like it, please share and subscribe. We do all these things with great effort. We have to learn so many things for you. So please support and subscribe. Thank you.